So this is a conclusion of our water heater replacement and furnace replacement. So some of the benefits so far that we've noticed is that we get hot water to our kitchen sink in about 6 seconds versus 35, 40 seconds, which was the case in the past. It's probably a minute to get to our bathrooms, minute plus. Historically, and it's a lot shorter. I haven't measured that, but at the kitchen sink it's like 6 seconds now versus 30, 35, 40 seconds. We also leave our AC on in the summertime, not that we want to. Typically when we're having a cookout, the doors are open anyway and we should turn the AC off. But the old AC compressor outside was crazy loud and it is gone. We've moved the compressor to the other end of the house and it's a ton quieter anyway. We could have probably put it in the same place. But we moved it for other reasons as well. It's quiet inside the house as well. The old furnace, when it came on, AC or furnace, winter or summer, it just blew at full max, full capacity. And it blew hard and then it would go off. And we knew when it was on. It was loud. The airflow, the sound of the furnace, it was just a loud unit. And the new unit is crazy quiet. So I'm guessing it'll be quite crazy quiet in the summer as well. The outside compressor is quiet and the inside air handler is quiet as well. So we don't even notice that the furnace is on when it's running because it's so quiet. We've also noticed that we can leave the temperature a little bit cooler. I don't know what that phenomena is, but I've noticed that I've been setting the temp at around 66 and my wife, my kids, everybody says, yeah, it's comfortable, we're good at 66 versus 68. And again, I don't know why that is, but we're able to keep the temperature at 66. We did cap the gas, so it's capped on the inside of the house. It's not capped at the meter yet. We plan to do that eventually, but when we cap it at the meter, then we get rid of the fixed fees that come with natural gas. So there's $11, it's maintenance or service and facility charge. And then there are some other fees that I think will go away as well. And of course the energy costs will go away. Related to natural gas. We're no longer emitting greenhouse gases by burning natural gas in our house. So that's a good thing. Now we're using electricity, and some of the electricity that we use is made from coal and natural gas. So there's that. But our grid is getting cleaner and cleaner over the years. More of it's wind, more of it's solar, and as a result, it's a lot less impact to climate change by reducing, our greenhouse gases. And finally, the proof's in the pudding, and we'll probably do a follow-up next year this time on our energy costs. The goal is also to reduce our energy costs and reduce the risk of natural gas prices going up. It being more of a global commodity than electricity's, more regional, local. Natural gas is a global commodity, and if there's a big demand elsewhere, that impacts the cost of natural gas here in the United States because we do export liquefied natural gas. So in short, the last 2 winters, natural gas prices went through the roof. Through the roof might be an overstatement, but went up significantly, as did our usage because it was in the winter and it was like a double impact. Our energy bills doubled from 21 to 22. We'll see about 23. We're still more. Part of that's because we've got an electric vehicle. Well, it's a hybrid plug-in. So it's first 40 miles, it's a RAV4 Prime. The first 40 miles is electric. So we do plug that in every night. So that's increased our energy consumption as well. It's reduced the amount we have to fill it. It's like once a month versus 2 or 3 times a month. So anyway, it's been a interesting voyage to include all the other things that we've done in this house, but we're getting closer and closer to being able to do a zero energy or net zero end result. That's going to be a long way down the road because we need more solar and we need to wrap our house in more insulation. The walls are still pretty bad. So we'll get there. Thanks for listening, guys.